Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I will create a bootable USB drive on the Linux command line. So we're going to create a bootable USB drive with Fedora Server. We're going to use Fedora Server 42, the ISO, and with the dd command, we're going to create a bootable USB drive. So we go to the command line, SSH to our Fedora server, and we are in. We use first the ls-blk command. Here we can see all the disks. We have a hard drive, NVMe number 1 and NVMe number 0 with a couple of partitions. I have also swap file. Now I put the USB drive to the server and do ls-blk again. You see, we have another drive, SDC, with SDC1, but not mounted. The first thing we're going to do is sudo fdisk dev SDC, here, this one. You have to be careful, don't make mistakes, because if we have data on it, it's gonna be lost. Enter password, because we use sudo. See, the changes will remain in memory until you write. Be careful before using the write command. Do the M, and we're going to create a new empty GPT partition table. So we do G, yes, it's okay. Now we add a new partition with the N command. Partition number, default number 1, that's okay. The first sector to 48 is also okay. The last sector is default, is this one. If you want to use the whole disk for one partition, you can do enter. If you want to multiple partitions, you need to the number and then go on. But we do enter. Now the last command is the W to write here, write table to disk and exit. So be careful if you do that, all the data are going to be lost. And that's okay. If we do now ls-blk, maybe with the F command, see SDC, but not mounted and no file system. You see, all line is empty. But the other one, we have a file system, here, not yet. But that's okay. The next thing we need to do is go back to our browser. We want to write the Fedora Server ISO DVD. We click here and copy the link address. Now we go back to the command line. We do ls, and you see we have a couple of directories in our home directory. I create one new mkdir. Download. Okay, we go inside it. Let's see, of course, it's empty. Now we download the ISO to the directory. We do it, and the download path from Fedora Server DVD ISO. Enter. It's going to take some time. I'm going to speed up the video and come back when everything is ready. download is now finished. If we do ls all, see we have one file, Fedora Server ISO. Now we can write this ISO to our USB stick, the SDC. Do that, sudo dd, status is progress. So we see what happened. We have f equal to, here we put the Fedora ISO. So copy that and I paste it. Next we have the destination. F equals to device. Don't make a mistake here. It's SDC. Because if we have data on it, everything gonna be removed. So SDC. Enter. Password, because we use sudo. That's gonna take some time. I'm gonna speed up the video and come back when everything is okay. On the USB, we do ls vlk, and we see before we have nothing. Now we have the Fedora ISO. You can take the USB stick, put it in the USB from a computer and start it up to install Fedora Server 42. So this was it for this today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.